So you came across a beautiful Porta-Pivot door in an interior design magazine? A door that would totally finish off your home? Great. Unfortunately, as a consumer, you can't purchase this door yourself. To be able to order a Porta-Pivot door, as a consumer, you need to call on a professional. Your local craftsman can easily and quickly order your custom door and install it for you in no time. Ordering a custom door for Porta-Pivot is child's play. Your order is made in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Your trusted craftsman comes to your home and takes the exact measurements for your door. Step 2. On the Porta-Pivot website, he uses the convenient 3D configurators to design the door online with the greatest ease. With the configurator, he selects the desired hinges, profiles, door grips, and other accessories, completely according to your wishes. Working with online configurators also prevents misinterpretations of hand-drawn sketches. Step 3. Porta-Pivot produces and ships the door hardware to your professional with the utmost care. Within a maximum of 5 weeks, he receives your ready-made order. Shipping the glassware? That's not a good idea. For that, your craftsman will rely on a local distributor. Step 4. The professional fulfills your dream and installs your beautiful Porta-Pivot door. Lovely, isn't it? Have you seen a beautiful door from Porta-Pivot? Speak to your local craftsman now to realize your dream together. Read more at portapivot.com. Porta-Pivot. Pivot and sliding door hardware for interior craftsmen.